the School Bell Award.
Today, the Laredo Chamber of Commerce announces its upcoming recognition programs for the very best teachers in Laredo, Texas, and also for some very fortunate graduating seniors with the class of 2025. This morning, we announced the annual School Bell Award, in which the Chamber of Commerce recognizes Laredo's very best teachers. So we are asking our schools in Laredo, all schools, public and private, the colleges and the universities, to submit their nominations, because at the beginning of May, we will be awarding an award to the best elementary, middle, high school, college, and university teachers in our community.